Good day everyone, and welcome to the Transport for Sydney Vlogs channel. I am currently up the Central Coast at Woy Woy, filming Woy Woy, part number 5. Just going to be filming some trains here on a Saturday morning, including Locomotive 6029. The Garretts will be running shuttles between Gosford and Hawkesbury River this weekend, so I'll be seeing it a few times here, and we'll make my way over to a few other locations along the Central Coast to see the Garrett there as well. In addition to Loco 6029, we may also see a Mariyung D Set pass through on a test line down to Sydney. So hopefully with these two trains featured, we'll get a good variety throughout this video. So sit back and enjoy. Alrighty people, I've decided to move over to the Sydney end of the platform. In my previous Woy Woy videos, I always normally film at the Gosford end, so I thought I'd change it up for a bit and film on this end for the rest of this video. Also, I'm not too sure if I've shown you guys this in any of my previous Woy Woy vlogs, but in case I haven't, might as well do it now while I got time to wait until the next train passes through. So Woy Woy does have a mural here on platform 1, which is a city-bound platform. In the middle, it's probably a bit hard to see as the lighting is not the best right now, but you probably could see it does say welcome to Woy Woy. The welcome to's on the top there, it's very faint. If I zoom in, you can probably see it more clearly. So yeah, it says welcome to Woy Woy. You have the big Woy Woy name printed right in the middle. And if I zoom out again, on the left side you have an artist drawing of a V set. See the set number that they've given this V set is V19. See, that's the V set in its old City Rail livery, when it had the blue and the yellow at the front. It also had the intercity word printed on the top, adjacent to the headlights. However, it doesn't look like you can see it for this artist drawing here. But yeah, pretty cool drawing of a V set. And then if I move past the Woy Woy name, on the right side, you can see an artist drawing of a Tangara. It says all stops on the desto. And it looks like the set number that they've given it is, it's hard to point out if it's T13 or T73. One second it looks like T13 and the other second it looks more like T73. But yeah, also a pretty cool artist drawing of a Tangara. Yeah, quite cool. Obviously V-sets do run here regularly, particularly on weekdays. They don't run on weekends anymore. And Tangaras might make an appearance here once in a blue moon. It did come up here a couple of times around this time last year to perform some crew training runs. So yeah, I remember that. It was great to see a Tangara on the Central Coast last year as a rare sighting. But anyway, quite a nice mural here. Okie dokie. The next train to pass through here will be the Mariyung D Set, which I referred to earlier, which is on a test run down to Central Terminal. So we'll be passing through here shortly in a few minutes time, and then around 10 minutes later we should see 6029 and 4201 pass through on its first shuttle to Hawkesbury River. This time around we'll have Diesel Loco 4201 on the front and Steam Loco 6029 on the rear.